Now, are you looking for some good eats to wake up to in the morning, some tender fiddles? Well, I have just the thing for you. You need to run on down to your local Walmart and pick up some grits. Yeah, that is right. These grits are wholesome, delicious, warm, and nutritious. Now, you may be thinking, what are grits? And you are probably one of my northern friends. But if you are one of my southern brothers or sisters, you already know. You wake up to this every morning. This is the most recognizable breakfast food you have ever seen in your life. So, what are grits? Back to our question, what are grits? Grits are enriched white hominy, and what that means is corn, okay? It's corn. Little tiny specks of corn. And now, there are little tiny black specks too, but let me just tell you this. It's only natural. Please note, tiny dark specks, which are natural to corn, are occasionally found in this product. They are not harmful in any way and will not affect the taste or texture of this product. So again, run on down to your local Walmart, Lord knows they are everywhere, and pick up some of these quick grits, alright? And have yourself some good eating.